What's up guys, Mr. GoFX here with another video. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of a really cool pair of headphones. It's the Bluedio T2s turbines. It's the Hurricane series. At a later stage I will be doing an unboxing for some inner ear headphones. These are by the same manufacturer as Bluedio, and these ones I will unbox in a later video, so please stay tuned for that. Without further ado, roll the intro. Okay guys, just one other thing I wanted to show about these headphones. So if you want to juice them up, basically take your mini USB connector. Let's see if that even shows up there. Get your little line over there. It indicates that there's power going to the headphones. And as far as power goes, or should I say connectivity goes, basically press and hold that button there, and you get your little Bluetooth indicator there. And then you do get the inner ear sound. Tells you that the phone is actually, the headphones are actually connected to your device. So again, if you wanted to, you can go wired. Basically, you just hook up your 3.5mm jack over there into there, and then you hook it up to the other end all the way into your cell phone. So for example here, you want to go there and it's hooked up. Very convenient. You can actually also hook this up to a shared headphone. So if you want to share it between two headphones that have the same plug-in, basically hook this up in there, and you hook up the other end into another pair of headsets. That's essentially what it shows over there. Basically is you can hook it up to two headsets and share the same music, so two people can actually listen to the same music if you so desired. In terms of comfortability, very comfortable. Cushions on there, so very nice and convenient when you're wearing them. Not sure if this is visible, but that's it. When you're wearing them all the way in, let's say for example a gym setting, they are very comfortable. However, you do tend to accumulate lots of sweat. Say for example you're putting in a good run or just working out intensely, it will sweat in the edges in there. So that's something to keep in mind when you get these types of headsets, is that if you're wearing them for a workout, which is primarily what I wear them for, they will accumulate a lot of sweat, just because there is more, it is a synthetic type of leather that's on the edges there, so this will accumulate some sweat on there. So once in a while you may have to just maybe wipe them down, or just take them off for a little bit so that your ears can breathe just a little bit. Otherwise, really good. You can wear them for a long time, for a couple hours. The thing I do like about them is the foldability. So say for example you are you're going through an intense workout, and you just need some air on your ears, maybe, so you can lift up one ear, or you just want to listen to somebody or speak to someone else, lift up one ear, have your conversation, have your ears breathe, put it back, lift up the other ear, have a conversation, let your ears breathe, put it back. Well, more conveniently is when you're actually trying to put them away, you just fold both of them like that, and you throw them in your backpack. Thank you for watching.